everyone, my name is Josephine Nonglan. Performing at the opening ceremony of the Asian Cup qualifiers was truly once in a lifetime experience for me. It just reminded me of how music could truly connect people all around the world.
Hello everyone, my name is Swensi Jain.
Just saw your video. It was amazing, and everyone just praising it so much. It's really good. That's why we wanted to have a conversation with you. So, Bala, my first question is about the society. How did you start or you joined the society, and what about the society? Tell us something about the society.
Okay, I joined the society through an audition. So the society was formed in the year 2012. It was started in Shillong actually. It started with a vision to nurture talents, creativity and skills among young people especially, and also with a special focus in music. So what started in Shillong in the year 2012 gradually reached to the corners of Meghalaya, and the goal of the society has always been to create a space where creativity is appreciated and mentored.
Okay. When you got so much views, love from all over India, how was your feeling, and how were you feeling when you got viral?
Overwhelming, of course, in the best way possible. We've received so much love and support from everyone who shared the video and everything. Thank you so much. So we've received so many messages, shares from all over social media platforms, and it feels truly such an honor that our performance resonated with so many, and we were especially very touched when our performance reached the national news outlets and public figures like Dr. Shashi Tharoor, and then Dia Mirza, and the Ministry of the Development of Northeastern Region, and then I think it's the Tourism Minister of Nagaland. They all shared the video, so it's really encouraging for all of us.
Okay. You must have faced those, some roadblocks, or I can say some kind of issues which occurred in your way, training so many girls, taking care of them and everything. Can you just share something which was stopping you, sort of?
There has been many roadblocks actually in the journey, but one is financial constraints, and second is the complexities of working with young children. So sustaining our initiatives is also one of our ongoing roadblock. So it's one of the challenge, I would say. Yeah, and then providing quality mentorship and expanding our reach. These are the ongoing challenges, but the passion of the whole team, of all the members, and the support of the community is what that really keeps us going.
Yeah, we have been seeing that Eastern India is not getting that much recognition. Still, it is not getting that much recognition. What do you feel about that? Because it is a very crucial and important topic to discuss.
Okay, so yeah, most of the time we're often overlooked on the national stage, and most of the people from the mainland India would call us we look like Chinese or something like that. Yeah, but we're incredibly proud. It's heartwarming to see people acknowledging not just Meghalaya in this at this point, but the entire Northeast. The recognition of our work means a lot to us, and it's even more special because it uplifts our culture, our youth, and the region as a whole.
Yeah, so true. What do you think that is the proper way to deal with such young minds, or I'd say, what do you think that while training someone, what kind of things you need to have in you so that you can train such little young minds?
I assist my teacher in training, so
okay.
So yeah, it's actually a learning experience for me as well. Like I learned so much teaching them, and really all of them are so talented, and what we need to have is just to have an open mind, because all of us are are differently gifted, and just one very important thing is to just let them explore their creativity, and they have so much potential. We don't limit them, like this is the only way you should sing, like not a certain way that to do things. There are so many ways to do things, and then our approach to the song, it's just not like whatever a teacher says the students have to follow it, so they're allowed to explore their creativity.
Yeah, so true. What do you think is their family's choices, or I'd say, how do you think their family support? Because usually girls are not supported that much still in India. There's a huge problem about that. Girls are just tried and pulled down in every single thing they're doing. They're trying to do, still when girls come in front of other people, they just prove themselves that they are the best and they can do anything they want. So every single girl in your group, what do you think about their families, and how was their family support?
Most of the students come to us with the support and encouragement from their families, of course. So Meghalaya as a whole is very musical, is a very musically inclined state. You go to any household, there's always somebody who can play at least one instrument. So
this is something new.
Yes, so most of our people here, they can sing, and times are changing, and most of the parents, I would say, they're not buying to that conventional way of thinking that you cannot do this, you cannot do that. So the support of our families is very crucial, actually. So we mentor them not just musically but also emotionally, academically. So they have full support of their parents, and they're actually very proud of their girls.
Yeah, so true. Every interview I took, female influencers, I always ask them, what do you want to say to those girls who think that they cannot do this or they cannot do that? What is your thing on this?
So these are the things. These things are very common, and people from outside, or even from or a distant family, would say those things especially to our kids, and even to myself. I've faced these and still facing all of these right now. And the thing is, we need to have that understanding with our own parents. Like if we have their support, we have that confidence in us also, because as young girls we really need to have that confidence, and somebody that we trust, who also trusts us.
Okay. Do you have any kind of personal story or any sort of personal experience that you had in recent times which we can relate through Ravivar Vichar, specifically related to women empowerment?
So women with education are very powerful. So in our society we also believe in holistic growth. So academics is just as important as their artistic pursuits. So we'd always encourage our children to focus and improve their academics, and also character building. So most of the time when students doesn't do well in their in school, we would say like, okay, you need to do well in this exam before you get to perform again.
We just give the quick introduction of those girls.
The first one is Josephine Lingdot-Nonglan. She's from Nongstan, and she's amazing. And she joined the group in the year 2017. And yes, and another one, we have another girl. Her name is Wenzi. She is from Soara. She joined the group recently.
Yeah.
So Josephine is here, the girl who sang Vande Mataram. She's here.
Yeah, I'd love to meet her.
Okay,
Hello.
there's Josephine.
Okay. Yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm great.
Okay, so I'll be more than pleased to listen to both of you.
This is also a patriotic song, and it's a song that we thank God for giving us such a beautiful state, such a beautiful place to live in. And Meghalaya is also known for its natural scenic beauty, so we're just thanking God for that.
Woki klur kari kieng yaine wat laling shop eryong upria lamen sim kipen
Keeping ki mau bersih, ki thong ki mau benar.
jongki kaim haru benta Kerteng jongki kaim haru benta
It was so good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's it for this video guys. रविवार विचार हमेशा ये कोशिश करता रहता है कि इस दुनिया में, इस देश में जितनी भी वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट से रिलेटेड चीजें चल रही हैं उनको आप तक आसान भाषा में पहुंचाए। तो मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब रविवार विचार। इसी के साथ इस वीडियो को बहुत सारा प्यार दीजिए, इसे लाइक करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर भी कीजिए। हमारे सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स के लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, वहां पर भी हम बहुत एक्सक्लूसिव कंटेंट डालते हैं। डू चेक इट आउट। तब तक के लिए नमस्ते।